In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Copilot in Word to summarize long documents in just a few quick steps. If you work with reports, meeting notes, proposals, or any document that feels a little too long to read from start to finish, this feature can save you a lot of time. Microsoft Copilot in Word can quickly pull out the main ideas and give you a cleaner overview of the content, making it easier to review and understand what matters most. To get started, open Microsoft Word and load the document you want to summarize. Make sure the file is fully open and ready to read, since Copilot needs access to the document content before it can generate a summary. Next, look for the Copilot icon. You'll usually find it on the Home tab in the ribbon, although in some versions of Word, it may also appear as a floating button directly on the page. Its location can vary slightly depending on your setup, but as long as Copilot is enabled, it should be easy to spot. Once you find it, click the Copilot icon to open the Assistant panel. This is where you'll interact with the tool and enter requests. The panel typically opens on the side of the screen, so you can still view your document while working with the summary. From there, select the built-in option that says Summarize this doc. If you don't see that shortcut, you can simply type Summarize this document into the text box yourself. Both options do the same thing, so use whichever is available in your version of Word. Now give it a few seconds while Copilot scans your text and creates the key points. The time it takes may depend on the length of your document, but in most cases it should only take a moment. During this step, it's best to let the tool finish before clicking elsewhere. When the summary appears, take a moment to review it carefully. This is a helpful way to confirm that the main ideas were captured correctly. If you want more detail, use the prompt box to ask follow-up questions. For example, you can ask Copilot to expand on a section or clarify a point from the summary. Finally, if you want to keep the results, click Copy to save the summary to your clipboard. If you'd rather place it directly into the file, click Insert to add it straight into your document. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more helpful Microsoft Office tips.